Before we jump into today's vlog, I want to talk about consistency because that's the heartbeat of my 50 soft challenge. Every day I'm showing up for myself with movement, hydration, reading, and self-care. And this week's word is discipline, the quiet strength that keeps you going even when motivation fades. So if you're on your own journey, stay steady, stay soft, and stay committed. I want to introduce you to my Soft 50 challenge, and I want to encourage you to stay focused. So let's get into today's vlog. Well, hello. Happy Thursday. So, this is a vlog. You're going to be spending, I'm going to say, a half of a week with me, starting it off on today, Thursday. This is July the 30th, and we're going to go all the way up until probably Sunday. Getting ready to hang out with family and friends. Today is my pre-anniversary day. Yeah, because our anniversary is tomorrow. We will be celebrating 27 years, been together, oh, this phone loud, been together for 39 years old. Yeah, we didn't hit a milestone. And I already put my makeup on, not that much on. And then I need to wipe out my counter, so I have this tag. I got this from Dollar Tree, $1.50. When you have a vanity that is white, you have to wash it off like every day. Today I'm highlighting one of my favorite luxuries that never fade, and that is my Hannah Roses Forever. These white roses was gifted to me a year ago. Can you believe it? A year ago, and they still look amazing, I'm telling you. Now look at these red roses. Oh my God. These was gifted to me, you won't believe, 2 years ago, and the color is still bright. It is still look luxury. Remember, luxury that never fades. You can put these anywhere in your home and give you that luxury look throughout your home. Now, if you love beauty that never fades, Hannah Roses Forever is the way to go. So check them out. Wanna go, Papa? I'm gonna do this like this, yeah. This is perfect.
It's a perfect baby, little baby.
Uh-oh, it's too tight right here. I know my breasts ain't getting big. Just how it's not too bad. I like it how these pants go all the way up to your stomach like. It is a perfect camouflage for your stomach. So this is perfect with this belt. Yeah, so this gonna go good. Let me show you my shoes real quick. Let me see how the back look. Good. Now the shoes, I was thinking about these, but the thing is, it's like a wraparound, like an ankle heel, but you really can't see it because these pants are too long. These are the type of shoes you want to show. You want them to be your statement piece. So I don't want to wear these. I'm not going to wear these. Yeah, I'm going to wear these. Alright, so this is my look. Let's go up. And I'm going to take you down. Now these are the shoes.
Again, thank y'all for coming to Manhattan on this Thursday night. Let your hair down Thursdays. We come and we just have a good time, ladies. It's always your night on Thursday nights.
Girls, what I said, baby. You want to get out? You want to get out? No. You running all into people. I want
wonder how long they'll live.
She got all four, so she got basically jerk chicken, man.
Hey, Chase.
We also got
What's that?
chicken salad. We got a smoked tuna, smoked chicken salad, smoked buffalo chicken salad, and a smoked jerk chicken.
Hi, Chase.
How much low? Yeah, $10.
Alright, so I finished the green tomatoes. Yes, they look so crispy. Yeah. This right here is so good. This is at Aldi's. I think like 69 cents. So good. So this is what I have. This is some potatoes, my tofu, and the bright green tomato.